Hey guys, how are you doing today? This is the second part of the two video series, just two video series. How to create folders and lists. That is the name of the series. It's a very short series, and there are only two videos in this one. I hope you have watched the previous one where I created this particular folder, content creators. You know, I use this particular, what should I say, screen recorder, and this does not allow me to create a video more than of duration more than 10 minutes. That's why I had to do this, the second part of this particular video series. Now in the previous one I created this particular folder, and as I was saying, I thought, what was the purpose of creating this folder? I said that editors and writers, these two lists have something in common. I guess these people, they are writing contents and they are editing contents and they are creating contents actually. That's why I thought that there should be a folder to contain these two lists. So now that the list has been created, sorry, the folder has been created and it is also expanded. Since it is expanded, so as you can guess, there is no element or item inside this folder. It's totally empty. Let me collapse the folder. Let me expand the folder. Okay, no changes happen. It clearly means that the folder is empty, but I want to send these two lists inside this folder. So how do I do that? I simply drag and then drop here. It did not work this time. Let me try once again. Okay, it is gone. As you can see, look at these circles. They are aligned this way, but this is not in the alignment. Why? Because that's because editors, the list has now gone under this particular folder. Now let me drag writers and take here. Yes, writers, the whole folder, sorry, it's not a folder, it's a list. The list writers has also gone under this particular folder. There's another way you can send a list under a folder. How do you do that? You don't have to drag and drop all that you have to do. Let me try this one. Let me click these three dots next to the marketing team list, and there is an option here that says move. Let me click here. I want to move this list. Now this is the space. This is the space where this particular, under this particular space content creation, there is in the folder and also this particular list, and this is the list I want to move. This is the, as you can see. Now let me choose this particular destination for the movement, and if I click on the move button, as you can see, the marketing team list, it has also moved under this particular folder. Okay, but how do I get it out of there? Let me try. Okay, I do not know what happened. Maybe I accidentally drag and drop. That's how I took it to the top position, but it is still under this particular folder. Let me click the three dots. Now I want to move it once again, because why? I actually want to, I moved the list inside this folder for demonstration purpose, but I believe that actually this is not its correct place, so I want to move it. Now as you can see, there is already a very convenient choice, move out of folder. That's what I want to click, and now the marketing team list has gone out of this folder. It is no longer under this folder. Okay, so now you know how to move a list to another position, how to include a list, an existing list inside a folder. But now I want to show you how to create a list. As you can see, editors, writers, SEO team, marketing team, these are all lists. Let me click this one. The content idea space expands, and search engine trend, social media trend, offline research, these are also lists. If you want to create a list under this particular what should I say, space, all that you have to do is to click these three dots. Okay, let's say create new. Yes, I can create a new list or task. Okay, but there are also other places where I can create a list. Let me click this plus sign adjacent to internet-based research, which is the folder. Let me click here, and yes, I can create a new list here. If I create a new list here, the created list will be under this particular folder. Okay, I do not have a problem if it is under this particular folder, but let me try some other folder. Let me say this one. Let me expand this particular uh, folder. It has all these lists. So let me click this particular sign, and now I want to create a list, and let me name the list as let's say test list. Now if I create the list, okay, you see creating a list is very straightforward. Okay, it's not that much problematic or complicated like creating a folder that we experienced in the previous video. So as you can see, the test list has been created under this particular folder because I clicked this particular plus sign adjacent to the folder. So excuse me. Anyway, so now you know how to create a list, and in the previous video of this short tutorial series, I showed you how to create a folder, and also in this video I have shown you how to move lists inside folder and out of folder. So that's all particular about this particular short video series, which is how to create folders and lists. So I hope guys you have understood everything that I have shown here, and also be sure to watch a previous video which is ClickUp hierarchy. You need to really need to understand that very clearly, and the previous ones like how to create a workspace or how to create a space, these are also important. You are welcome, you are invited to watch those videos as well on my. Okay, thank you very much. Now I thank you. Have a great day. Until the next time, best of luck.